Hi everyone, Carla from Travel Walker Tours here, and today we're going to Flushing.
H Mart.
Yes, we're going to H Mart, but first we're going to check out a restaurant called Koshigi, and they have Korean kamjatang there, so we want to try it out. Let's go.
가자.
So we're here in the restaurant and we ordered some soju. Soju for $3.99. They have soju $3.99 Monday through Friday. And we got some hejangguk. Let's get started with some side dishes. Now that we've had a taste of our soup, we're going to just finish eating and we'll see you at the next place. So we just came back from the hejangguk place and we really liked it. I mean, it's like a simple place to have lunch and some cheap soju on the weekdays. We thought it was great.
It was pretty cheap.
Yeah, it was pretty cheap. I think we spent less than $30 before the tip. And yeah, I would definitely go again. They have like a whole bunch of Korean food there. 콩나물국밥, 감자전, 닭도리탕. They have a whole bunch of stuff there, so it's worth going. And
Okay.
I'll put the information down in the description box. So if you want to go there, then you can go. And so now we're headed to H Mart because they're having a huge sale, supposedly. So we'll go in there and see what we can get for cheaper. We'll probably get some samgyeopsal and some
Lobster.
meat and lobster. The lobster's on sale. So yeah, come follow us to H Mart. It's nice and cool in here. I want to get some wagyu if they have what we like. Now this is what we like. This Harvey I something. We like this one. Although this one looks really good. It's like kind of expensive, but I kind of want to try it. Another favorite is this, the chador bagi. The wagyu brisket is so good, especially when it has like a lot of fat on it. So we're gonna get 2 of these wagyu beefs. Yeah, we like it. The marbling looks really good. $3.88. Samgyeopsal.
치킨면은 사야겠다.
Luna. They have a lot of flavors. What flavor should we get?
기본.
The regular one? Get it.
Get it.
You get it.
Get it. You get it.
You get it. You're closer, Oppa.
가위바위보.
No, you get it.
오케이, 장면 게임아. 이거 리미트 원이야?
Is it?
리미트
Yeah,
원이야.
limit one. I guess they didn't do that for the lobster, so all the lobsters are gone. They have makgeolli. Is it the real makgeolli though? They have this. The 1,000 prebiotics. I don't know if that's like a real makgeolli. Oh, 오빠. 이거 진짜 막걸리 아니에요? So. 오빠. Tuna light standard.
세일 아이템 다 샀어. 쌀 안 살 거잖아? 얘도 eggs 필요 없지? 밀크 필요 없지? I don't like this brand.
Okay.
Drink. We got this, we got
Isn't there,
this, we
what's
got
on the
this,
other
we got
side?
this.
Isn't there everything on the other side? Oh no, there's nothing.
I don't
Okay,
want
we
this.
got almost everything.
야, 제가 다 샀어.
This is all the stuff we got. We got a lot of stuff. I hope we can carry it.
땀나요.
It is so hot.
There is a train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
핫보이 서머.